Minutes, 80s workout, 80s ride, Jennifer Jacobs. I wish I could do it as good as her. Anyway, let's start this day. Feels so much better. That was good. Shower. Quick announcement. We crushed the look at that. I mean, who takes a couple bites? Hey, question. There is a couple bites taken off of this donut. Would you happen to know what happened?
No idea. Let's go.
Where are we going?
Prescription and grocery store.
For what?
For the cookout.
Alright, more on this. We're going to switch to the GoPro.
On the road again.
Sing it, Willie. So where are we going?
Prescription and Publix.
We get prescriptions so we don't kill people. Just kidding.
Publix.
Not really. You want me to do any kind of special effects?
Yeah.
It's snowing. What's one of your favorite special effects?
I like the multiple leaves.
Bet you do. Dirty.
I do.
Dirty.
Or especially if I'm in the middle of the night.
Okay. Alrighty.
You're gonna have to edit that out.
Nope, that's going in. This one may be over 10 minutes though, because our vlogs together, I mean the weekend bucket list was 20 minutes. And I still left a lot of it out.
I need new glasses. New sunglasses.
Yeah, see, I was gonna get you a pair, but then you deviated from the aviators, so I don't know what kind to get.
I told you I want aviators.
You both, oh Lord.
I can't decide.
Listen to these people.
We got
Canoeing.
rafters.
We got rafters.
We got rafters.
Fasten your rafting seatbelt.
It's gonna be a rafting ride. Get it?
Yeah, I get it. Fix that up there.
Nope. Not gonna do it. $1,000 off your breast augmentation.
Are you looking at yours?
I need a breast augmentation. It does kind of make you second guess your life for a second.
This is all clickbait. Is what this is. She just called me a jerk.
Because you are.
Why am I a jerk?
Because you get so upset.
I'm not upset. So I'm excited about the work.
I am too. Get the bad chili.
We gotta get some slaw.
I can make some. Or we can buy it.
Let's just buy it.
Okay. Okay. Let's just buy it. Oh, so funny.
You don't have to say anything to make her laugh. You just
I make myself laugh. I'm so funny.
see. Wait till it really hits her and she just can't stop. Give it about 15 seconds. Here it comes. 3, 2.
Shut up.
Yeah. Bird.
Mallard.
You know what we should do today?
Each other. What?
Do I want to keep that in?
What do you want to do today?
I was going to say try to get to the park and get those time lapse videos, but
You can do that after you grill on meat. Hey everybody.
hey everybody. Red Nose Day, which was Thursday? Yeah, it's Thursday. I don't know what my thing's up to. Have you donated?
Yeah? No?
Yeah, don't forget to go donate. The link is right. It's over here. Yeah, it's over. It's somewhere up here. Just chilling, having a picnic. Are you not gonna eat on camera? I will. Roast beef sandwich. Delicious. No? We're just doing some people watching. Go on. This is a big moment, everybody. Extreme coupon on the Lord's Day. It's not Monster. It's got super creatine, like with a cape. All right, so the goal. The plan is to go around to the Valentine Country Club and see what we can afford with our noses on. Hashtag noses on. This is almost as gay for us riding around yesterday listening to classical music.
Did you hear that?
I did. Everybody's going to hear it because I'm going to magnify that.
I burped. I never knew how to burp.
I think you pretty much nailed that one.
Oh. It's all that ginger ale.
Is
That
that
was
what it is?
awesome.
Hang on. Your side.
I'm not going to do it again.
Your side. Okay, I can't. Talking through my nose and it's driving me crazy. Alright, we're back home. I don't know how well the GoPro footage looks, how I keep flipping back and forth, so it's probably something if you guys want to let me know if it looks like crap. I'll figure it out another way. I do want to do a whole vlog just shooting with the iPhone just to see how that turns out. The weekend vlog is going to be a little bit longer than 10 minutes. If it's too long, just skip it. With me and Amber together, there's a lot we can put in, and the more she gets comfortable on camera, the more the other channel could start. If not, I love you guys. I'll always be right here.
You ever feel like your days off are like the busiest days? I feel like I never get anything done. We have been running around, and it being a holiday weekend, it feels more stressful. Not to mention that I've added these to even add more stress, which these aren't that stressful to me. I know this has a end goal of being a better person, influencing people. There's a deeper meaning behind these vlogs than just me putting stuff up on YouTube. I don't really do it to... I know that I said I wanted to grow my channel by adding more content, which I do. I also want to develop storytelling. I also want to develop faster and better editing skills for when I do start making longer videos, short movies, short films, things like that. That's the goal. So if I gain subscribers, if my channel grows because of the daily vlog, then great. If not, perfectly okay as well. I have end goals, and these end goals are massive. There's only one person that knows about them. When I talk about them and she starts looking up places that involve these, it makes me feel really good because that shows how much she believes in me. And that's really the only one that matters. Just is what it is. She's the one. She's the one. You'll be able to tell that these vlogs, that it's more of a personal level between me, you, and it's something that I'm using for practice. It's something that I'm using to get better at everything that involves my overall goal. It's something that I'm using to hone in a skill that I feel needs work. And you'll notice as you see these that I'm not too worried about the thumbnails, the title, the description. I know there's the algorithm that everybody talks about where you gotta have so many keywords, so many stuff in the thumbnail. My thumbnails are pretty generic. I don't spend a lot of time making them. Now, when I do a short film, yes, I'll spend some time making that thumbnail and I'll spend some time with the title and description. But like I've said the entire time, these are for practicing my skills, getting better at this. That's what this is about. You guys wanna meet Jessie? Jessie, come here. My mother passed away a year ago tomorrow, actually. Today, when y'all see this. She left me this little girl. Her name's Jessie. Hey, right here. Come on. Talk to the audience. What's up? What's up? She, not sure how old she is. We have a picture. I found a picture of her in 2004. I think my brother has paperwork on her where she was born in 2004, but that would put her at 15 years old. She's got more energy than anybody watching this combined. She's our little Benjamin Button. She's a little gift. And say hey to everybody. Hey everybody. Did I use her to get views? Maybe. The plan for the rest of the day is we're gonna grill out. Tomorrow we start Whole30, which is kind of a thing every year. I don't know why we pick holidays to do it. Seems to be our MO, because it's usually New Year's Day. This past New Year's Day we tried it. It lasted 2 minutes, but we have a cruise coming up in September and we got to get back in shape. So we're gonna grill out, we're gonna chill out. We didn't really get a lot of stuff done in the house like we wanted to, like the wall, which is probably what we're gonna do tomorrow. I wanted to go to the water park, but we're also wanting to save money, which we'll probably spend more money fixing this wall up than we would at the water park. But in the meantime, with these vlogs being on the weekend and Amber getting to make an appearance, I wanted to set up a segment for her. So here it is, making its world premiere, Deep Thoughts with Amber.
Let's scratch the deep thoughts and we'll go to Q&A with Amber.
All right, I'm the producer behind the camera.
Okay.
Subtitles to this, apparently. What is your favorite food?
Oh, my favorite food? My favorite food probably have to be so savory. See, I think
you're reading too much into it.
if we think about themes, I have sushi. I love sushi. Desserts, I would have to say probably tiramisu or Godiva chocolate. Steak.
Steak. Okay.
Yeah. Carnivore.
What's your biggest fear?
Oh God, biggest fear would have to be spiders and clowns.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color would have to be light blue.
What kind of movies do you like?
My favorite type of movie would probably have to be something scary.
What's your favorite city?
Oh, I love Savannah.
Where would you love to travel to?
Oh, I'd love to travel all over the world, but
I think they're looking for more specific answers.
Europe, I would love to go to Europe.
I'm sitting in front of the TV. What's on the screen?
YouTube. I hope that this has been insightful. I hope it's been fun. If you like it, please let us know below. Thank you for letting me have a moment of your time. Back to you, Lee.
Well, we're going to end it here because Amber's got me drinking margaritas. And I've got some editing to do before these kick in, so tomorrow should be better. But this one's going to end right